Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, second flight ever on the Baltic B. L39 from Banana Hobby, FlyFans brand. Got the KM model afterburner there.
Motor is on.
All right, gonna have some fun with her. Now I got a little bit bigger of a battery than I normally have. I got a 3500, so I've got the timer set for 4.5 minutes.
Starting the fun over.
All right. We'll be using flaps because my light has died, or my wind has died. Boy, that afterburner looks good. Now I've got it set to where it goes out and then just comes on when I hit it. And up to full blast or full illumination at full throttle. So, all right, here we go. Here we go. Flying in my high rates. Boy, I can definitely see that afterburner.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Gonna take it up.
Retracts deployed. Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes. Mode.
All right.
Off flaps.
We're going to take off from down there, save on battery. Here we go.
Flaps are up. The gear is up.
Man, that's beautiful. So beautiful. Take it out. High speed right there. Let me make one pass. Make sure all my stuff's down. Gonna come right at us right now. Yep, all my stuff's down. Yep, just didn't like it.
Mode. Flaps are
All
up.
right, we're gonna turn around.
1 minute.
All right, one more time.
Take off flaps. Landing flaps. Flaps are up. Landing flaps. 20 seconds.
Wow. What a great flight. And that's the second flight ever.
Prop secured. Safe to approach.
19 seconds left
Starting the fun
on
over.
a 4.5 minute flight. So what's that? 4 minutes and 10 seconds or 9 seconds, something like that. I'm not going to do math right now. Great flight. Now I ran a 3500 this time. Let me bring the plane a little bit closer to you. Okay, get our battery report. But that plane, look at how beautiful that thing is. Them lights on there, that afterburner cam models, thank you. And thank you for the pro tip on how to install one in a 64 millimeter. I'm actually not touching the motor. It's actually braced right behind the motor. And I'll include a link on instructions on how to do that. You will have to mod your afterburner, but so do so at your own risk. Unplug it. I hate unplugging that beautiful afterburner though, because it's so party. Well, come on. Come on. I'm at a bad angle there. Yeah, 38% left, so that's just fine. Now, to show you where I have that battery, this is a 3500 6S, okay? Normally where that black line is right there, that's where I have the 2700 6S, but this is a 3500 and I got it back about a quarter, maybe half an inch further back than what I normally do, because it's a bigger battery. The rule of thumb is the bigger the battery, the further back, the lighter the battery, further forward. So that's where I've got it. And that, folks, is the second and very successful flight of the Baltic B L39 featuring a KM Models afterburner. God bless y'all. Thank you so much for the plane there, Banana Hobby, or well, for my wife, my precious, buying it for me for Christmas and as an early Christmas present. And if y'all watch the unboxing, you know the whole stupidity of myself and how I got it early. And she was so mad. Just watch the unboxing, it explains everything. So, but I got it early, God bless her. And so this is it. Flies great, love it. Love my precious, my camera precious. She's filming for me today, God bless her. Y'all have a good and God bless y'all. Don't forget the Faye family and friends. Then Baltic Bees, God is good. Bye-bye.